The police in Lagos yesterday arraigned 5 women suspected to be commercial sex workers and 4 men accused of patronizing them. The defendants were charged with prostitution, unlawful gathering, breach of peace and loitering before an Ojukoro Magistrates Court. They are Emeka Chukwuma, 28, Paul Okon, 26, Fabian Sunday, 26, Shedrach John, 30 and Angel David, 27. Others are Destiny Moses, 30, Chinarm Badiv, 27, Gift Okon, 29, and Edith David, 27. All of the defendants, however, pleaded not guilty to the 4-count charge. Magistrate K.O. Ogundar granted each of them bail in the sum of N100,000 na surety each. Lagos prostitution. The prosecutor, INSP, Clara Olagbayi, said that the defendants committed the offences on Nov. 4 at the Wisdom Bar Hotel, Ikotun/Igando Road at 8:30 p.m. The 9 of them gathered unlawfully and conducted themselves in a manner likely to cause breach of peace, she said. She said that the women were loitering and soliciting for sex, while the men were some of their customers. The court adjourned the case till Jan. 11.